Software startup sequence blocked by the Mfc90 Unicode DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll guide you through the expert recovery process. As we look at the manual steps for Mfc90 Unicode, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This DLL file is the Unicode-enabled MFC library for the 2008 Visual Studio release. It provides essential support for internationalized desktop software, handling complex text and localized data structures on Windows. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. The fastest way to fix this is to reinstall Microsoft Visual C++. Head to Microsoft, download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers, and run them. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including the Mfc90 Unicode, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Be aware that manual fixes for the Mfc90 Unicode DLL often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing the Mfc90 Unicode and maintaining system stability. If this fix repaired the Mfc90 Unicode dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.